Check it out, I got the 2500 HD up here at Extreme Clips window tinting. We're gonna get this pulled off, and as you can see through that pretty good. It ain't as dark as it looks from the outside, and it got some imperfections in there. But we're gonna get this yanked off and get some more fresh tint thrown up on here. All right. So you see going around here, you see slap through there. Don't get me wrong, it looked good, but I want it darker. Got something fresh coming out of there now. That looks pretty good. How dark you think that tint is on there right there, you think? That's 20? Okay.
So what you want to do with this one?
I want to go 15, 5 in the back. Well, nah. What's the lowest? What's the next below 15?
5.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do 5.
You know this will be darker because we got the factory.
So this is factory. So do they put tint over it or something?
No, it's just like a smoke flash. It's not tint.
Oh, okay. All right. So we'll just do. I want 5 on the rear. I want 5 here, and I guess something on here where it won't look darker in the back.
Won't look darker than that?
Yeah. Cause if we were to throw what 15 on
So
here.
we'll put you do 5 here. We'll put a 20 on. Oh no, I ain't
15?
Okay. Yeah, but 20.
Okay. That'll work. So 5, 15, and 5. Yeah. I just want that to look even from the side.
Yeah, you remember how process?
Yeah, I want that name on it too. Yeah, that's what it look like right there. Okay. Let's see what's up with it. Alright, so this is what we got here. We got high performance, Pro Series, cheap, not so cheap, not cheap at all. We're gonna go with the nano ceramic, shade privacy, nano, 80%, all that other stuff. But anyway, we'll come back and check it out when it's finished, so stay tuned. And that's what's legal, just so you know. Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out here at Extreme Tint. I'm just about to pick my truck up. Them guys right here, they be hooking this thing up, man. But check it out right here. This is it right here. As you can see, we went with the 5% right there, and I think the back was already like some stained glass or something. We went with the 15 over that, and the same with the rear. It was already stained. We went with a 15 over the stain. And as you can see, this thing turned out immaculate, man. It looked pretty good. Just need to wash this truck up. They need to get some body work done to it. Get this thing cleaned up. It's gonna be on point at that. Yeah, it'll be on point then, but yeah. All right, we also went with the front. You can see right here on the front, we got the got that AS1 thing going on right there. You know, keep that sun out of our eyes right there when we rolling. But that's it, man. Slowly but surely, we doing a little bit here, putting a little final touches on the truck. We got the grill going, got the lights on there. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the paint, and I'm gonna spray paint all this, give it a whole nother fresh coat. Get that thing looking right. As you can see, I did it. Started right there, just heat it up, see how it turned out. Turned out real nice. I did the step rails, got them things looking clean, as you can see right there. All right, so we're gonna keep it moving. Ooh, it sound horrible. All right, also look up in there. I'm looking real clean up in there. Get that thing with some fresh black paint. Got the black paint all up in there, as you can see. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, you know. See how I hit the springs up? Got the springs looking fresh. It's all about, it don't take much at all, man, to get your truck some, you know, a good look. Just a few bucks, and you get right to it. But yeah, next thing is we're gonna take care of all these little paint chips and stuff like that. You see all that right around here? Gonna get all that going. Get this baby painted, repainted. It need to be repainted, guys. I mean, that'll definitely give it a whole nother look. But yo, that's it from your boy. It's your boy C-Spec. I'm gonna be back. All right. All right, guys, it's gonna be tricky right here on the edge. I'm probably gonna have to tape it off. Or what I could do is I can loosen this bolt and let it. Why don't I just pull it out? That'd be the easier thing to do. Get back, get back.
What? What's up with you, C-Spec? What?
Stay back.
Let's get out.
Tiny bit of overspray. All right, guys, I'm on the verge of overdoing it right here. So let me slow my roll. All right, guys, I think that looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna throw a little bit on my torsion bar, being that it's slightly visible. And the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is this whole bumper. So I'm just put a little bit here. I just wanna see how it reacts to it. I think it's gonna turn out great, guys. Oh yeah, that's gonna go perfect. That's like night and day. I'm gonna have to get something to get that overspray off. But make sure you prep your area. I mean, I'm gonna get something that'll get that off of there, but you don't wanna be wasting a whole lot of time repairing your problems, okay? But yeah, as you can see, guys, that right there worked wonders. See the difference between that and this? Big difference. And this right here turned out phenomenal. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other side up. Just wanna come to you and share with you how this thing is looking. And as you can see right there from the side, everything looking nice and pretty dang on good. So yeah. But hey guys, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Just want to come to you, share with you what I think about this paint, which is, I think is awesome. It's working wonders for my inner fenders, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, get this thing knocked out. I'm gonna spray a little bit on these too, get these a nice renewed finish. And yo, that's it. That's it for your boy. Stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe. And in the meantime, I'll be back to you with some more content. Peace.